we had Zach Brown on this program last year, and he talked about his affiliation with this, how much he loved it. And Rob Dickinson, as well as a singer, has obviously is a poster boy for the same movement. But 2019 comes around, you go to Sonoma Raceway, and you set up the Velocity Invitational, and all of a sudden, I mean, it looked great. You had white picket fences, you had the food, right? You had the setup that you really wanted. How did you improve upon that for year two?
Well, look, our goal. So the first year we were lucky. We had Mercedes out, and they brought one of the Lewis Hamilton cars, and we ran that, and we broke the track record, and we did have picket fences and green lawn and what have you. So ultimately, but we also had some skeptics about, should I come? Should I not come? Should I bring my cars? Is it worth, digging my Ferrari GTO out, or my short wheelbase, or my McLaren, whatever? And once everybody saw and came and enjoyed the experience, we kind of hooked a lot of the great collectors, fortunately, and they've been just amazing. So the way we expand and make it better is we continue to bring great cars. We had the Mercedes 300 SLR, the sister car to the Moss Jenkins car, at the show last year. It was just extraordinary, and we ran it on the track. We didn't race it, but we did run it at very high speed. So every year we want to bring more and more of these great cars out of collections, and whether it's a public collection. The Peterson's been unbelievable in helping us. This year we've got the Juan Gonzalez F1 collection coming. Last year, uniquely, we had James Hetfield's collection of custom cars. So the whole goal here is, it's really about entertainment, and there's not one car that I think, people walk up and say, I just came to see that car. Once you show everybody the different elements, it's just fun. This year we've got some amazing rally cars from Dirtfish, and and they will come and they'll demonstrate 5 of the most historic rally cars. So I think every year we want to continue to entertain, and I think we'll continue to do that.